Maize cultivation, also known as corn cultivation, involves the process of growing maize plants for various purposes, including food, animal feed, and industrial uses. Here's an overview of maize cultivation. 1. Climate and soil requirements. Maize is a warm season crop that requires a moderate to high temperature range and adequate sunlight. It grows best in regions with a frost-free growing season of 60 to 100 days. The ideal temperature range for maize cultivation is between 20 degrees Celsius and 30 degrees Celsius, 68 degrees Fahrenheit and 86 degrees Fahrenheit. Maize plants also require well-drained soils with good water-holding capacity and a pH level between 5.8 and 7.0. 2. Land preparation. The land should be prepared before sowing maize seeds. This typically involves plowing or tilling the soil to a depth of 15 to 20 centimeters, 6–8 inches, to break up clumps and remove weeds. The soil may also be enriched with organic matter or fertilizers to provide essential nutrients. 3. Seed selection. High-quality seeds are crucial for a successful maize crop. Farmers often choose hybrid seeds that exhibit desired traits, such as disease resistance, high yield potential, and tolerance to specific environmental conditions. There are different types of maize, including dent, flint, sweet, and popcorn, each with its own specific uses. 4. Sowing. Maize can be sown directly into the field or started in a nursery for transplanting later. The seeds are typically planted in rows with a spacing of 60 to 90 centimeters, 24–36 inches, between rows and 20 to 30 centimeters, 8–12 inches, between individual plants. The planting depth is around 3 to 5 centimeters, 1–2 inches. 5. Fertilization and irrigation. Maize plants require essential nutrients for optimal growth. The soil may be supplemented with fertilizers rich in nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium. The timing and amount of fertilizers depend on soil nutrient content and local recommendations. Adequate irrigation is crucial for maize cultivation, especially during critical growth stages. Regular watering helps ensure proper plant development and higher yields. 6. Weed and pest control. Weeds compete with maize plants for nutrients, water, and sunlight. Timely weed control is important, which can be achieved through manual weeding or herbicide application. Maize is susceptible to various pests such as cutworms, armyworms, corn borers, and aphids. Integrated pest management practices involving the use of insecticides, natural predators, and cultural practices are employed to manage pests effectively. 7. Crop management. Maize crops require regular monitoring for diseases, nutrient deficiencies, and other issues. Disease-resistant varieties and appropriate fungicides are used to control common diseases like maize rust and stalk rot. Crop rotation and proper field sanitation practices help reduce the buildup of pests and diseases. 8. Harvesting. Maize is typically harvested when the kernels are fully mature and dry. The crop is ready for harvest when the husks turn brown and dry, and the kernels are hard and glossy. The harvesting process involves cutting the maize stalks and removing the husks. The harvested maize can be used for various purposes such as human consumption, livestock feed, or processed into products like cornmeal, corn oil, and ethanol. Remember that specific cultivation practices may vary depending on the local climate, soil conditions, and farming techniques. It's always recommended to consult local agricultural experts or extension services for region-specific guidelines and recommendations.